What up, guys? It's Holden here with the Iowa Gearheads. So what we got today is a new addition to the channel. I got rid of Hyundai, or Stitches, and right here we got a Dodge Ram 1500 two-wheel drive with the 5.2 liter engine, and I don't know what I kind of plan to build with it quite yet. I haven't had it for too long. As soon as I figure out a build, I will let you guys know. But as far as right now, I wanted the truck white, so I plasti dipped it, and then I tore some of it off because I think I'm just gonna have it professionally done because it looked like crap. That is my new truck. I just kind of had the feeling of wanting a truck. I had Minty, and then that took a fall because of the frame, and then I had Stitches, the Hyundai. I just didn't have the feeling of wanting a car anymore, so I got the truck. There's the new addition to the channel. The Hyundai is no more, sorry. This one you will see a lot more of. But with that, this is Holden. Have a good day, guys.
And like always, hit that subscribe button.